IKEA Risoll, a perfect oil and vinegar container for your kitchen. Using a good container for cooking ingredients helps you to cook with less effort and problem. One of the containers that we need most is the container to place the liquid ingredients. In this case, we are talking about oil, vinegar, and such. Mostly the container product for these kinds of ingredients always has a problem, which is difficult to use. But we didn't find it after we used the IKEA Risoll. This is the special bottle to place your oil or vinegar made by IKEA. What makes this product become our favorites? Let's take a look. The design. The most important thing about our ingredient container is the design must be useful and easy to use. IKEA Risoll is the perfect example for the container with that kind of design. The handle design makes it easier to lift. When you pour the oil or vinegar inside it, you can also do that easily with this handle design. Just tilt it a little and the oil and vinegar will pour. The size is quite small. However, for vinegar or oil that you usually use in small amounts, this size is enough. This product's height is 19 centimeters. It can hold 550 milliliters of liquid ingredient inside. The small size also makes it easy to keep in any place in your kitchen. With a beautiful design, it can also become a perfect decoration. The features. The spout also makes you easily pour the oil or vinegar without worrying about splashing problems. You can easily aim to the right place where you want to pour it. It is also equipped with a lid to keep the oil or vinegar you keep inside clean. The transparent material also makes you easily see what you keep inside. This will help you to avoid pouring the wrong ingredient to the food that you're cooking. IKEA Risoll also is dishwasher safe. It helps you to wash it without problem. Just put it inside your dishwasher and you can take it after it's clean. The material is also very durable. IKEA Risoll uses polystyrene plastic glass silicone rubber as its main material. And for handle and cover cap, it uses polypropylene plastic material. This material isn't only durable, however, it is also strong against heat. You can use it to keep the hot material up to 50 degrees Celsius. Although it's perfect for oil or vinegar, you can use it to keep hot drink, such as tea. Conclusion. Overall, IKEA Risoll is really a good ingredient container product. It is perfect for keeping oil and vinegar. With the spout and other features, you can pour the oil and vinegar easily. However, if you want to use it for a hot drink, you could also do that. With these multi-function purposes, basically this is one of the good kitchen utensils you must have. Moreover, the price for this product is affordable. You can buy it from the store at $5. This is a great price you can get for this useful product.